Welcome to another OBDSync video. I'm Jason and today we'll be going through how to download and install the OBDSync application. First off, we need to head to the OBDSync website and click on the Downloads tab along the top. As we can see here, you'll be greeted with this page. If you haven't already signed into your account, it will ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you will need to create a free account to be able to access this page, as well as be able to log into the application or apply tokens to your account. Once you've actually signed in and you see this page, we can go ahead and we can click on this button here, the OBDSync installer. Click to download. This will start our downloads and will pop up to the top right there if you're using the Chrome browser. Different browsers will have the download progress in other places, such as the bottom left, and sometimes it can also be along the right hand side or sometimes top left. If you're not sure where it actually went to, you can always open your documents download folder to then access the downloaded file. Once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and click on the file to then open it up. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on our top one here. Once you're done, you'll be greeted with a little message here if you would like to install, and we click yes. And now we're in our actual installer. So read the information as we go along. Make sure to keep clicking next. We'll then see our little EULA. Click I agree. Click next. It shows where it's going to install to. And then finally we can click start to install, and that's it. That's it completed. We can then close out the installer. And now we can go minimize the browser, and then we can see our new desktop icon here, which is what we use to start the program. Yours may show on the left hand side here, but for this demonstration I've just popped it into the center. So double click to start it up. We'll see our little splash screen, and then once it's loaded up completely, we'll see our main home screen where we can now log into the program using the same account details you used on the website. You can now sign in on here. You can click the Remember Me button. Also, that will allow you to sign in easier next time, as it will save your previous details. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to contact us. Otherwise, see you next time.